about. Looking for a way out, you know, just taking it slow. Now I'm feeling one out, looking for a way out. Somebody show me that door. I was waving.
Welcome back to ExquisiteD, and as you can tell from the title, this video is gonna be me slaying this wig from Amazon that Michelle purchased. So we're gonna talk about this hair. We're not talking about it, but we're gonna just slay it on her anyways. But I'm gonna show you what her hair looks like and everything she got. So Michelle got this hair from Amazon. Y'all know Michelle, she's the one I do hair on all the time. She's the one that I always do hair on, so about that. But anywho, so Michelle got this hair from Amazon. The hair, this is what it comes with a bag. This is called Fanshow, right? Fanshow hair. It comes with a bag, plastic bag. The plastic bag just says Brazilian middle part. Ooh, Brazilian middle part. Man-made, machine made. So the machine made it, and it's 12 inches and it's straight. She also got this cap that matches skin tone. It comes with their information saying leave 5 stars, contact information, WhatsApp, Fanshow, and say thank you. And it also comes with this paper. It says congratulations. You'll get a chance to get one piece. That's funny. One piece. So I'm gonna get one piece of a Fanshow human hair bob wig for free. And they take it, but you have to take a picture of the item, leave it Amazon with pictures, and then contact the email. And if you're not satisfied with the hair, you can also email them for that. But supposedly you get this free wig. We're gonna try it out, and I'll let y'all know in the comment section below if they actually give Michelle a free wig. We're gonna see if it's real. Probably be a state bottle. Who knows? Alright, so this is Michelle's wig. Here's how the wig look like. So it is a closure wig. As y'all can see, closure. It has 2 combs in the front, adjustable straps, a cone in the back. It is wefted, and then that's the closure part. So the closure is pretty small. It's not a 4x4. I think it's like a little. It looked like a 3x3, probably 3x4 or 2x4. But you do get a long parting space, so that's a good thing about it. So that's how it looks like. That's the closure part. You can see the hair is extremely soft. It's a bob. It's extremely soft. Like if Michelle would never order this hair, I would have got it for myself. But I'm not. We're not trying to be twins, so I'm not gonna order it. But if they have longer hair, do they have longer? Okay, so I might order longer hair. I'm gonna see how this do on Michelle's head, and if it's hold up nicely, I might give me a longer length. Probably get really long, because I love closure wigs. I hate frontal. Big, 12 inches straight. Yep, so we're finna transform it and put it on her head. Stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on my social medias. I'll put it on the screen, and I'll put the details about this hair in the description box below. Yeah, 12 inches soft. Michelle will let you know how she work with it or whatever. I'll ask Michelle to give me updates, because this video really pertaining to me installing the hair on her. But anyways, yeah, so make sure all right, y'all, so I'm just gonna braid Michelle hair. Yes, her hair is super duper long. Yes, it's longer than the wig. Like, her hair is so long, and it took me literally an hour to braid her hair because her hair is so thick. But yeah, I'm just trying to get a flat foundation so the wig can sit on her head extremely flat, like, you know, like really nice. Disclaimer, y'all gonna hear stuff in the background, sorry about that. But anyways, I just put the wig on, I'm adjusting it. Michelle's putting the combs in. Like I said, like if you didn't use Ghost Bond or Got to Be glue, the combs work really well. I promise you, your wig is not going nowhere. It's like secured. Like I'm telling you, like they construct this wig really good. Don't make me laugh. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just adjusting it, making sure it's on good and sturdy before I apply the Ghost Bond glue. I use alcohol before, you have to make sure it's clean from any oils, dirt. So you're gonna use the alcohol to clean it up, make it crispy clean, sparkly clean, squeak squeak. Alright, dolls, so I'm gonna cut off more of the lace because I left too much lace. I like to leave more than enough lace because when you lay the wig down, it gives you extra space. And also, if you don't want the glue to be on your hairline, more lace the better, in my opinion. But anyways, I'm using the Ghost Bond glue to make sure to secure the closure part of the wig. I like to put the glue on, then distribute it evenly, let it dry clear, then add another coat. Is how many coats you want to put, or it's all up to you. Then I lay the lace down. I make sure it is flat, like there's no bumps in the lace, like making sure it's flat, look like it's coming out the scalp. And that's what I'm basically doing right now. I have a full detailed video of me laying my lace front down. Some of you dolls probably watch it already, so I'll put it in the description box below if you want to see a detailed video of me laying my lace front down. This is just different, this is a closure, but I have a full video of me laying my lace front down and doing the baby hairs and step by step. So I'll put it in the description box below so you guys can click on it and watch it. Alright, to make sure it melt and everything dries, the lace dry and it melts into your skin and everything, I use a scarf to tie around the edges. So while I'm finishing up straightening up the hair and everything, it'll be drying, and then you'll see it melts your skin into your skin so well. Okay, now I'm just gonna pluck the part so the part can be a little bit bigger. It was pretty hard plucking the part, like I don't know why, but it's pretty hard plucking this wig. So yeah, I'm just gonna pluck as much as I can, make sure I open up the part. I'm gonna get some powder, not too much, and then we're gonna go down the line. Bear with us. We're gonna get some mousse. Is you still recording? Are you guys still there? Yes. Gotta make sure.
Where would they go, Diane?
You probably would have stopped recording. You see how the mousse get all the flyaways to go away, y'all? Alright. And now we're gonna straighten it. I'm gonna use a brush. I don't know my little small combs at. And you want it straight or bump?
Straight.
Okay, so you want it straight. Straighten it really well. Ooh, yes, bitches. Straighten, y'all. And I got it on temperature on 410. So it's on 410.
I look
Pretty. Can you see yourself?
oh, look nice.
I'm gonna use BioSeal.
¿Qué fue?
That's the wig. Need that lighting. Why is it not like showing the light?
Loving hip hop entry.
Yes.
Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. There's no love in loving hip hop.
Brother the light on the back. You gonna die. I swear you die.
Dun 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 dun. Stevie slept with
Stop. She is light. She is light to the perfection. Sherlock's good. It looks beautiful.
I don't like drinking drink. I like